Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Sunday. It's sunny Sunday. Yes, it's sunny out. It's still a little on the chilly side. It was something like 30-some degrees this morning. Yes. Okay, last night I did a flounder almondine, which had a wonderful Creole seasoning blend, which I put together right here in the good old Casual Chef's Kitchen. A copycat rice-a-roni and ginger glazed carrots that utilizes ginger beer. We can thank Alton Brown for that recipe. Dinner was very good, and I will be honest, I got a little distracted when I was doing the almondine part of the fish. Yeah, let's just say the first pan went in the sink. Don't get distracted in the kitchen, not like me. So, the copycat rice-a-roni, the method is actually for a pressure cooker. But I'm kind of smart. I did it on the stovetop anyway. The almondine recipe and the Alton Brown ginger glazed carrot recipe should be up and running on the group. Tonight, I'm doing poppy seed chicken and mashed potato stuffed portobello mushrooms. Let's get to it. Basic hardware. And for the chicken dish, we've got chicken, flour, of course, poppy seeds. There's chicken stock, kosher salt, black pepper, yellow onion, Philadelphia cream cheese, butter, garlic. Again, today, slivered or sliced almonds. There's some heavy cream and a sleeve of round butter crackers is how it's described in the recipe, but we all know it's Ritz. And for the mushrooms, I'm only doing 4 mushroom caps because there's only Robin and I. Of course, there's going to be potatoes. I'm using russets, some cream, a little bit of olive oil, some garlic powder, sour cream, Parmesan, some green onions, and some flat leaf parsley. Lots of ingredients. Should be yummy. Actually, the mushroom recipe came from Amy, who's one of the private chefs, has her own group, and I share her recipes all the time. So I'm actually going to cook one of her recipes. Yeah. So on this Sunday, if it actually warms up a little bit, enjoy outside because it's supposed to be nice. But have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.